The differences in pouring on plastic and pouring on just standard subgrade are the moisture and the moisture actually being absorbed into the ground. Plastic, that is a vapor barrier. A lot of times we're pouring on plastic to eliminate moisture and water being able to migrate through the concrete. That bleed rate coming through the concrete is extremely important. Oftentimes that is the finisher's telltale on when to get on the concrete to finish it. There's different adjustments that we can make in admixtures to change how the water migrates through the concrete and how much bleed water you're actually getting. We have designed our admixtures specifically to be able to improve finishability. When pouring on plastic, viscosity modifiers will help slicken the surface, so when your finishers are finishing that surface, it lays down nice and smooth.